Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a KitchenAid dishwasher and it's giving you an error 1-2 if you have a digital display. And if you don't have a digital display, it will be blinking error code. It will be a single blink followed by a pause followed by 2 blinks. And that's the equivalent of the non-digital display. So if you are getting this error means there's something wrong with the memory on the control board. And so there are really 2 fixes for this. The first one you can do yourself. The second one you probably can't do yourself. So the first one is to just do a hard restart on the dishwasher. And that means turn it off and then disconnect it from power completely for a full 5 minutes. So either unplug it from the wall, turn it off at the circuit, wait a full 5 minutes, plug it back in, and try to run a cycle and see if the error doesn't come back. If the error doesn't come back, you're going to need to replace your control board. That's a whole nother can of worms that you can try to get into yourself, or you can just call a technician to have it done at that point. But anyways, I hope this video helped you figure out at least what's going on with your dishwasher. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.